there again, listeners and learners, and welcome to the second of the 5 radio programs in our series on development studies. My name is Mims Low. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the factors which determine good health and life expectancy. Good health is central to human happiness and well-being. It also makes an important contribution to economic progress, as healthy populations live longer, are more productive, and save more. There are many factors that influence the health status and a country's ability to provide quality health services for its people. Ministries of health are important actors, but so are other government departments, donor organizations, civil society groups, and communities themselves. For example, investments in roads can improve access to health services. Inflation targets can constrain health spending, and civil service reform can create opportunities or limit the hiring of more health workers. Let's talk more about the factors which determine good health in a country by listening to a conversation between a health worker from the Ministry of Health and Social Services and a group of adolescents.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
Good morning, sister. Sister, my name is Shadi. And this is Shanella. We're students at the Yetoyama Center, Namkol. And we are here to obtain more information from you regarding the factors which determine good health for our project.
Please have a seat.
Thank you, sister. In your opinion, which are the most important factors that determine good health in a country?
Well, factors which determine good health and life expectancy are: clean water is essential, hygiene and sanitation, a nutritionally adequate diet, freedom from disease, poverty, stress, primary health care, and the training of medical auxiliaries.
Why is clean water essential?
It's essential because we need clean water that is safe for drinking, cooking, and to keep our bodies clean.
So, what will happen if people do not have clean water?
Well, a lack of clean water can cause waterborne diseases like diarrhea and dysentery caused by bacteria in polluted water, malaria as a result of mosquitoes breeding in stagnant water, bilharzia caused by parasites. Those are small animals that live on other animals, and river blindness is caused by tiny worms.
How do you practice hygiene?
You practice hygiene by keeping yourself clean and also keeping your living and working environment clean to prevent diseases. There are many ways in which you can be hygienic. Like, for example, wash your body every day and keep your hands clean. Wash clothes and dishes with clean water. Cover food and keep it away from flies. Have a good toilet system, and drinking water must be purified or boiled at all times.
You mentioned earlier that water is essential. Can you elaborate more on that?
Yes. Clean water, fit for human consumption, is essential for good health. Why do you think we need clean water?
We need it in our diets for washing and keeping the body clean.
That's correct. There are 4 essential nutrients present in food.
Wow, interesting. What are those nutrients?
Well, they are as follows. Number 1 is protein. Protein is found in meat, cheese, eggs, and etc. for body growth and to repair tissue. And carbohydrates is found in potatoes, rice, maize, and etc., the main source of energy. Fats provide energy for the body, for example, butter and wholesome milk. And then we have vitamins and minerals which help provide healthy skin and bones and general good health.
So, sister, would you say that an adequate diet helps to protect your body against diseases?
That's correct. A balanced diet provides the body with all the nutrients that it needs. The main reason for an unhealthy diet is poverty, when people cannot afford healthy food. But many people are also ignorant of what a balanced diet should contain.
Madam, How can stress and poverty affect your health?
Yes, dear. Stress is a constant state of worry. Poverty is one of the causes of stress. People realize their responsibilities cannot do much about them due to a lack of money, goods, or security. A person who worries all the time may end up with even more problems, such as depression and mental problems, alcoholism and drug abuse, family and social problems. These can all lead to poor health.
Thank you so much for your help, sister.
You're welcome, dear.
Listeners, I hope you have enjoyed listening to our discussion about the factors that determine a good health. Let's recap. Factors which determine good health and life expectancy are: clean water is essential, hygiene and sanitation, a nutritional adequate diet, freedom from disease, poverty, stress, primary health care, and the training of medical auxiliaries. The practice of keeping yourself clean and also keeping your living and working areas clean to prevent diseases. There are many ways in which you can be hygienic. Wash your body every day and keep your hands clean. Wash your clothes and dishes with clean water. Cover food and keep it away from flies. Have a good toilet system, and drinking water must be purified or boiled. We've also learned that water snails in slow running water and irrigation systems which spread to humans can lead to intestinal worms. River blindness is caused by tiny worms that infect the skin when a person is bitten by a small black fly, which breeds in running water and which has previously bitten an infected person. Hygiene is important for us to remain healthy. We have to keep our areas and bodies clean. The following are the rules of hygiene. People must wash their bodies every day and keep their hands clean. Drinking water must be pure and be kept from contamination. Clean water must be used to wash the kitchen utensils and clothes. Food must be covered and kept away from flies. Provision must be made for toilet systems. Sanitation is important for health, but in many rural areas and poor urban areas, toilets are either unhealthy or they do not exist at all. Another source of bad health is air pollution. Smoke from cooking fires, dusty conditions in workplaces, and fumes from industries and vehicles all pollute the air and cause bad health. An adequate diet helps to protect our bodies against diseases. So a balanced diet provides the body with all the nutrients that it needs. The main reason for an unhealthy diet is poverty, when people cannot afford healthy food. But many people are also ignorant of what a balanced diet should contain. Stress is a constant state of worry. Poverty is one of the causes of stress. People realize their responsibilities but cannot do much about them due to lack of money, goods, or security. A person who worries all the time may end up with even more problems like depression and mental problems, alcohol and drug abuse, and family and social problems. And all these problems can lead to poor health. So listeners, from myself, Mims Law, and the Namcol production crew, thank you for listening. Until next time, take care.
This program was brought to you by Namcol with funding from the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture and the Commonwealth of Learning.